Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Foreign channel. In today's video, we'll discuss a strategy that enables you to generate passive income of potentially hundreds of dollars without investing a significant amount of time. The process is simple. Download a file, upload it, and then you're free to enjoy your time with friends, watch a movie, or engage in any other activities you desire, all while earning money. To ensure success, it's crucial that you watch the entire video without skipping any important information. Failure to do so may result in the strategy not functioning as intended, and you won't be able to make a substantial amount of money. The website we'll be utilizing is called plrminds.com, one of the two sites I'll be introducing to you today. plrminds is a unique platform where you can find a wide range of digital products, including ebooks, video tutorials, website templates, and various software. The exceptional aspect of this site is that you can freely download and use these products, as you are granted product label rights (PLR). This means you can customize, sell, or resell any downloaded product without the need for sales skills. However, in this strategy, we won't focus on selling or utilizing sales skills. As promised, when you visit the freebies section of the website, you'll gain access to all the available products. These include ebooks, free graphics, video tutorials grouped together like a course, free templates, and various software. If you wish to download any of these products, simply click on the provided link. Upon reaching this page, you'll be presented with a comprehensive selection of products to choose from. In my example, I've selected videos to demonstrate what the interface looks like. Once you've made your choice, click on Get It Now and scroll down slightly until you locate the download button. From there, you can proceed to download the product, which you're authorized to distribute to others free of charge, as you possess the necessary license. It's important to note that immediate downloading is not available. You have two options. The first is to simply like them on Facebook, which will only take around 10 seconds. This action unlocks the download button. Alternatively, if you prefer not to do so, you can register and create an account by clicking on Join located in the upper right corner. However, this step is not crucial. Moving forward, your objective on this site is to download files and re-upload them to another platform. I highly recommend focusing on downloading videos, as they tend to generate the most revenue. Nevertheless, you have the freedom to download other products as well. It's advisable to download multiple files before proceeding to upload them to the next website, which is called uploadforever.com or upforever. This platform serves as a file sharing site and offers free cloud storage for your data. The concept works in the following manner. When someone downloads your uploaded video tutorials, for instance, the site will display various advertisements before granting access to the files. You will receive a portion of the advertising revenue generated through these ads. This creates a mutually beneficial situation, as advertisers can attain their desired traffic while you earn income. This platform shares the advertising revenue with you, while the individuals who download the videos receive them completely free of charge. Moreover, it's much easier to convince someone to download a course or template that is absolutely free rather than persuading them to make a payment, which would be the case if you were an affiliate. What makes this opportunity even more appealing is that all the money you earn will be in the form of passive income. All you need to do is upload a dozen or so files, and that's it. This site attracts regular traffic every month, so people may continue downloading your files for months or even years after you initially upload them. You might even forget about those files, but you will still receive payments nonetheless. For beginners who lack prior experience or skills in making money online, this site is one of the best ways to get started. By clicking on Make Money in the upper right corner, you'll discover that you get paid for every 1,000 downloads. That's how the system operates. However, that's not all I want to show you. Below all this information, you can explore the various methods of payment available. There is an extensive selection to choose from, including popular options like PayPal. If you're not a fan of those, this site offers dozens of other payment options, surpassing what most other sites can provide. If you have any doubts about the site's legitimacy or if the method seems too good to be true, you can click on Payment Proof to gain reassurance. You'll find daily evidence of people receiving payments through the various payment methods mentioned earlier. Now, to begin uploading files, you need to register by clicking on Sign Up and providing your username, password, and email address. Complete the CAPTCHA and click on Sign Up to proceed. Once done, you're all set to start uploading files by clicking on Upload Files. Please note that it's recommended to perform this task on a computer or laptop. The amount of money you earn will be displayed right next to your uploaded files. To request a payout and get paid, simply click on Request Payout. One of the advantages of this site is that you don't need to accumulate a specific balance before being able to withdraw your earnings. You can request a payout even if you have as little as $1 or even less. Furthermore, you have ample space available to upload your files, enabling you to upload hundreds of them, potentially generating a significant amount of passive income. To summarize, the process involves repeating the same steps again and again. Head over to PLR Minds to download a variety of files, and then upload them to Up4Ever in order to get paid. If you feel that the selection of files on PLR Minds is insufficient, you can explore other PLR websites for alternative options. One such option is freeplurdownloads.com. Another way to generate income is through referrals. By sharing the site with others, such as Make Money Online Facebook groups, there is a high likelihood that they will click on your affiliate link. You can find the affiliate link in your website dashboard. This is a fantastic opportunity as it gives them a chance to earn money simply by uploading files and passively earning income. That concludes the video. Before we wrap up, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment below. I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.